Okay, we have question number 1, Roman figure 4. Twice x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Solution. Twice x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. So when we see the left hand side, they have different denominators. Some of them are having 1 and one of them is having 8. Okay, so we have to take the LCM. Now it will be 8. So here 16x square minus 8x plus 1. Then we have here 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 8 into 0 we get here 0. Okay, so how are we going to split the term? Split the middle term. Let's see. Product. We have here 16 and we have here 1. So 16 into 1 we have here 16. We are looking for the two numbers whose product is 16. But are we going to find here the difference or the sum? It will be sum because the sign of the constant term is plus. So when we add, sum means when we add, how much we are supposed to get? We are supposed to get 8. Let me tell you the meaning once again. We are going to find the two numbers whose product is 16 and the sum is 8. So let's see the pairs of numbers which gives the product is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, let me add the numbers again. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 we get here 17. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 we get here 10. And then 4 plus 4 we get here 8. But the perfect pair of the numbers is actually 4 and 4. Because 4 into 4 I get 16. 4 plus 4 I get here 8. So we're going to write here like this: 16x square minus, in place of this 8 I'm going to write 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. And then we have here x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so in the next step, what are we going to do? We're going to write 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so from these two terms, I can take 4 common and even x common. So 4x. So 4, 4, 16. So here 4. Then I have to write x again. So minus 1. So here the sign is minus. So I have to put minus here. And then 1 is the only common factor. So if you want to show here 1, you show it, or else you can just leave it. Without showing, it's fine. So 4x minus into plus minus. Then minus into what sign? It will give plus. Minus into minus plus. Then equal to 0. 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. We have seen here common. So 4x minus 1. We have taken here common factor. And then remaining is 4x. Then here minus, what is there? 1. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So either 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we can write here x equal to 1 by 4. And then here x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, therefore the required roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay, sometimes the roots may be equal, it doesn't matter, but we should get always 2, 2 in case of the quadratic equations. Sometimes they may be equal, may not be equal, it doesn't matter, but we should get how many roots? 2 roots in case of the quadratic equation. We have the fifth question now. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So let's see solution. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, let's see. Product should be how much? 100 into, and here we have 1. So we have here 100. So what is the sign of the constant term? Constant term means the term which is without variable. Okay, so 1 we have the constant term, But what is the sign of the constant term? This is plus. Plus means sum. This should be how much we get. We are supposed to get 20. So we are looking for the two numbers whose product is 100 and the sum is 20. Let's see. If I take here 10 and 10, I'm sure you'll be getting 100. 10 into 10, 100. But if I add this 10 and 10, 10 plus 10, I'm getting here 20. So 10 and 10, 100. So even you can take here 25 into 4, and I'm getting here 100. But when I add 25 and 4, I'm getting here 29. But how much I need to get? I need to get 20 as a sum. So I have to take this 10 plus 10. So let's see, how is it? So 100x square minus, in place of this 20, let me write 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 x, 10 plus 1 equal to 0. So in the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to write here 100x square minus 10x, again minus 10x, 10 plus 1 equal to 0. So from these two terms, we can take 10 common and even x common. So 10, 10, 100, so 10x minus 1. And we'll take here minus common, so that here 10x minus into what? It will give plus, minus into minus, plus. Okay, now I find here 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1 common. So 10x minus 1. After taking these two factors as a common, we have 10x minus, when there is no number, there should be always 1. So this is 1 actually. When we don't see the number, this should be treated as 1. So we have again 10x minus 1, then equal to 0. So either 10x minus 1 equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So we have now x equal to 1 divided by 10. And then here x equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, the required zeros, or you can say roots, are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10.